Alright mga ka-Access Grinders, update tayo ngayon for December 18 Wednesday. So harvest tayo ngayon ng farm natin last week. So let's start with price ng AXS. Bumaba ang price ng AXS, so that's $6.58. Bumaba siya ng 9.27%. Moving sa Daily Bounties. Under Daily Bounties, punta muna tayo sa standard board. So Atia 10 points, all goods. Classic 35 points, all goods. Origins 35 points, all goods. Wala pa rin tayong Coco Choco. 240 points for the whole week. Estimated earning of 0.12 AXS. And sa Premier, so nakuha natin tong win for ranked using 2 NFT for 53 points, 12 points for crafting items. So for the whole week, meron na tayong 523 points, estimated earning of 0.4 AXS. Ngayon din tayo sa staking. Okay, so for staking, same pa rin. Meron tayong 29.89218 AXS na may estimated amount na $197.16. Claimable rewards is 0.195656. Kukunin na natin to, i-add natin to dito, and then i-stake natin. So yun lang, check natin para makita yung total. Kunin ko muna yung claimable natin na farm. Fee Ironin. .195656. Okay, transaction all good. Meron tayong 0.622. Ngayon, mag-stake natin yung nandito. Okay. So, meron tayong 30.515 AXS amounting to $201.27 dollars. So, yun yung update. Thank you. Follow for more.